Walaikum Assalam, Muhammad. How are you?
Good.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, so what about yesterday's lesson? I hope you bit understood that whatever we have learned yesterday. Did you practice?
No.
No?
No.
Not little bit?
No.
Okay. So, okay, let's start from the small number. Okay, I'm not moving towards the bigger number. That will create confusion as well. So we will have some smaller number. First, we will learn division from that smaller number, and then we will move towards the odd and further bigger even numbers. Okay, so if I write a number, like first we have to learn that actually what is the division concept and what are the basic facts in the division concept are involved. Okay, so if I write 12 divided by 4, okay, or if I write 12 divided by 2, because we have to start from 2. Yeah. So, yes. So, if I write 12 divided by 2, so that the middle sign, yes, ma'am?
You want to go on punishment now? Go down there. Quickly.
Ma'am, are you saying something to me?
No, my mom isn't saying something to you.
Okay, Muhammad. So, see the middle sign. What does this sign call?
A dividing sign.
Exactly, that sign is called the division sign. Very good. So whenever we see in the division, which one is the bigger number?
Um,
Is 2 a bigger number or 12 a bigger number?
12.
Exactly. So
12
whenever 12,
divided by 2 is 6.
exactly. I know that you know the answer, that if I write 12 like this, see the bigger number will be always written, because see we are learning this kind of method, we are learning this kind of division, so we need to process like this as well. So whenever you see the bigger number and that bigger number has to be divided, so this bigger number always will come inside the half block. Okay, that 12 number is a bigger number, so this 12 number will always come inside. Got it? Okay, what is the number left behind? If the 12 is done, what is the other number we need to write outside? Muhammad, can you
Yes.
listen me? Can you
Yes.
hear me? I
Yes.
said, I said, if 12 is inside the box, so what is the number left behind which we need to write outside the box?
Uh,
See, this 12 is done, isn't it?
yes.
So what is the number left?
2.
Exactly. So where should we write number 2? If the 12 is inside the box, this 2 will be written as outside. How? We're going to write 2 outside the box. Did you understand now?
Yes.
Okay. So now I told you yesterday as well that how we're going to proceed this division. First, you need to see the first number. Which is the first number?
Um,
See, I have put a blank over to that number. Which is your first number? 1. 1 is your first number. Okay, listen carefully. 1 is your first number. So you have to see that 1 is divisible by 2 or not. Is 1 bigger than 2 or not?
no.
So if 1 is less than 2 and 1 is not divisible by 2, so we will join the number 2 as well and we will make a group. Okay, we will join two numbers. So first was number 1, but now the number has to gather. We combine them together, and now the number we are come up with, this number is now 12. What is this number?
12.
Exactly. Now 12 has to be divided with number 2. And we know that if we read 2 times table, we can see that 12 is coming in 2 times table. But how many times? Just read the 2 times table.
Uh,
2 ones are 2.
2 ones are 2.
2 twos are.
4,
2 threes are.
6,
2 fours are.
7, 8.
2. Exactly. Very good. 2 8, 2 6, no, 2 5s are.
10,
2 6 are.
2, 6 are 12.
Exactly. So you see that you just told in a very beginning in the question that yeah, 12 2 times 12 is divided by 6 times 2 6 are 12. So the answer is 6. How? See, we just read the 2 times table and we see 2 6. See, we write the 6th number as quotient. Okay, what can you tell me which one is your quotient?
Um,
Yes, Muhammad.
the portion is 6.
Exactly, very good. And which one is your divisor?
2,
Exactly. And which number is your dividend? The
12.
inside number. Exactly. The inside number which always your dividend. So 2 6 are what? 2 6 are.
2, 6 are 12.
So that another 12 we will write we will write down to 12 and then we will subtract it. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Okay, so now 12 will get subtracted from 12. And what is left behind?
Mm,
12 minus 12 would be?
0.
Exactly. So, can you tell me now which number is your remainder?
0.
Exactly, Muhammad. I'm so proud of you. So, what is your answer? I told you that the quotient will be always your answer. So after dividing like this, you put a equal to sign, you put an equal to sign, and whatever the number is in quotient, you need to write after equal to sign. So what number you should write?
Um,
Yes. What is the number in the quotient?
0 is 2.
Quotient. Muhammad, what is the number in the quotient?
12.
Think again.
0.
Muhammad, what is the
6.
number in the quotient? See, the upside place, always the upside place, that where the 6 is written, where the 6 is mentioned, that is your quotient. Now I have circled it. So what is your quotient?
My portion is 6.
Exactly. Are you tired?
And he's not focusing, he's just guessing. That's why it's happening.
It's not getting the concept still. I'm trying my best to make him understand, ma'am. You just need to be more focused. I think he's not, like he's not attending the class properly.
Put your legs
Muhammad?
down, be attentive. Yeah?
Yes.
Be attentive. You are very good in math. We have to be very, very good. Excellent. Okay? Be focus on the lesson.
Okay, Muhammad, I'm just removing all the numbers. Okay, I'm just removing all the numbers. Now, for example, I just made a half box. Okay, that is your half box. How you just make it full, so it will be a full square. It will be a full box. Are you getting me? But in division, we always use a half box for dividing it. Okay, so always the bigger number which we will write inside the half box, like here, that place will be called what? That place will be called dividend. Okay,
Okay.
what does this place called?
Dividend.
Yeah, it's dividend. And whatever the place, when we write the smaller number outside the box, what do we call this place? This place is called divisor. What do we call it?
Divisor.
Divisor. And whenever we write the answer upside the box, okay, upside the box, so the upside place will where we have to write the answer, that is always called quotient. Okay, what do we call it?
Quotient.
It's quotient. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, it's called quotient. So can I write a number now?
Yes.
Okay, so now I'm writing a simple number for you. So for example, I wrote 16, which is divided by 4. Now I know you because you know the table very well. I know you can easily give me the answer that if we divide 16 with 4, so what the answer we will have?
Is full.
Exactly, the answer will be 4. But if I say you that you need to divide it properly, you need divide it by the division method, by the box method. So how you gonna divide it? See, I'm just making a half box. Okay. Now you need to tell me that which number we need to write inside the half box. See which number is your bigger number.
16.
So where should we write 16?
In the box.
Inside. Exactly. So we will write 16 inside. Okay, now 16 is done. So what is the other number which is left?
4.
4. So where we will write 4?
On the top.
On the top. Here?
Yes.
Muhammad. See?
And on the bottom.
it, the number 4 is your divisor, and the divisor will be always, it will be written at the side of the box, outside the box. Okay, so 4 will be written at your left hand side. Did you get this?
Yes.
Okay, now can you start this? You see what is your first number inside the box? Before 6, what is the number coming?
What do I have to do?
No, I know that you can do it. I know that you can give me the answer as well. The answer you already know. You just need to tell me that what is the number is coming in the box at the first place. Before 6, what the number we can see? Is it 1?
Yes.
See what I'm just putting a blank now. Okay, now what is this number at the first place? It's 1. Okay, now tell me, is 1 bigger than 4?
Yes.
Is 1 bigger than 4?
No.
Yes, 1 is not bigger than 4. So obviously 1 is not divided by 4. It cannot be divisible at all. So when the number is smaller than the other outside divisor, so we will make a pair. We will make a group of number. So now the number was first 1, but now the number has become 16. What is the number now?
16.
16. Now you have to think that is 16 is divisible? Can 16 be divisible by 4?
No.
Muhammad, think again. You just gave me the answer right 5 minutes before doing this. You said that 4 fours are 16. Just read the 4 times table.
It is a bit.
Yeah, it's divisible. It can be divisible. So what is the answer in the quotient I should write? 4 fours are
4.
4 fours are 4, Muhammad.
4 fours are 16.
Exactly. So what number I should write in the quotient?
16.
I should write
4.
exactly. I will write 4. 4 fours are 16. So I will write 16 down to the 16 and then I will subtract it. So 16 minus 16 will be
0.
exactly. Now can you tell me which number is your dividend? Yes, Muhammad. Which number is your dividend?
4.
No. The
0.
number always inside the box, the bigger
16.
number. Exactly. Which number is your divisor?
4.
Exactly. And which number is your quotient? I have
4.
circled as well. Yes, exactly. So, what is your answer after the equal to sign? 0?
Yes.
Should I write 0 over here after equal to sign?
Yes.
Muhammad, think again. What is your quotient? Quotient is your 4. And I told you, and I've been saying again and again, quotient is always your answer.
And 4.
Exactly. So we're going to write 4. Okay. Okay. Can I write a number for you? Now you repeat this, whatever we have done. Can you do this? I know you can do. Okay. Can I write a number?
Yes.
Okay. So just wait for 2 minutes. Azan is there.